Hey singers, have you ever stumbled upon something so great, so transformative that you just want to share it with the world? Well, that's exactly how I feel about this particular vocal exercise, this and a couple of others, but we're talking about this one today. And honestly, it's been life-changing. It's changed my voice. So stick around and you'll see exactly what I mean. So like many of you, I've had my share of vocal challenges for sure. High notes that just felt unreachable, transitions that were just anything but smooth, and then tones that were just, not working out. They needed some polishing. But then I found this exercise as well as one or two other exercises, and trust me, they really turned my vocal struggles around. But because today I'm focusing on one particular exercise, and I know that if this exercise helped me, it can definitely do wonders for you. So this transformative exercise is a resonance booster. So let's do it. So let me share this exercise with you. First of all, I want you to begin by finding a nice, comfortable spot, standing or sitting down, whichever you prefer. Ensure that your posture is straight but relaxed. And then I want you to take a nice deep breath. I want you to feel your abdomen really expand on that inhale. And then I want you to sing the word sing, and I want you to hold the NG sound. And you should feel a buzz in the mask of your face, in the front of your face. That's resonance, and we want this. We really want to feel those vibrations. Using that NG, I want you to slide from your lowest note to your highest note, and then back down again. Really just feeling those vibrations throughout, just being aware of them. Sing. Let's just take it to the scale really quickly. We've got to do a quick scale, Repeat the slide for about 5 minutes every day. As you progress, I really want you to expand your range up and even downwards. This resonance booster exercise might seem simple, and it is. Sometimes the simple ones are the best, but it is a game changer. And how it's going to help is it's going to enhance your tone. The vibrations will really polish your tone, making it clearer and more vibrant. It's going to increase your range. Regular practice can really expand and increase your vocal range. And it's just going to help with your overall control. It will train your voice to maintain steady resonance throughout your transitions. After integrating this resonance booster exercise into my daily routine, I'm telling you, I got astounding results. It really increased my range. Higher notes became more accessible. My tone became richer, and I had better control over my voice. So try this resonance booster for 2 weeks. 2 weeks is the challenge, for 5 minutes a day, and I promise you're gonna hear a difference in your voice. Remember, consistency is key. If you put in the work, you're gonna get the results for sure. Share your journey in the comments. Let me know how you got on with the exercise. I really just wanna create a community of growth and inspiration. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can get free training from my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. So download that today, and I will see you soon. Peace.